property location. Tourists can nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are even guiders to enjoy your stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several things and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video. If the ideas for friends to meet again, new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.